This is one of the most common bathroom sink blockages we come across. So that little puppy right there causes a lot of issues. And here's what happens. Over time, that'll get chummed up full of hair, soap, scum, and debris. And that pop-up assembly, that little pop-up is connected to this lever system that allows you to move it up and down from above on your sink. But the key is, we got to take it out. So it's super simple to do. Often, you just got to take apart this lever that protrudes into and through and into the back of that pop-up.
You'll just have to
just unscrew it, pull the screw back,
zoom on,
and then pull that arm out. And you're removing it from how it's connected to the pop-up inside of that assembly. So now you can reach over, remove your pop-up, and then you'll probably see that it's full of goo and hair. So you've got to clean all that off, get all the debris off of it, and then you should be ready to put it back together. Once you get it put back together, it's very important that you put that pop-up in the right direction. If you look here closely, you're going to see that pop-up seat down into this assembly. You see that right there in that little hole on the pop-up? Then you want to take your lever arm and put that back in place so that it goes into the hole of that pop-up just right. Sometimes you can miss and you can not get into that hole that's attached to that pop-up piece. Make sure you're inside of that hole so that it's actually connected. So you see how that works? The lever goes up and down, which adjusts that pop-up. Then you want to put your nut back on. You don't want to over tighten this. It'll actually make it really hard for your pop-up to move up and down. So hand tighten it and then maybe give it a quarter turn with the wrench. Get your assembly put back together. And after that, I'm sure once you run some water, you'll find that you have just fixed your sink blockage and it was just hair and soap scum. So test it, move it up and down. You see how that lever works? And if you look, you pull that lever and it makes that pop-up come up and down. You should be good to go.